Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn how to get data country wise in Microsoft Excel. First, here is the data. First you have to convert these data into the table. Just press Ctrl T. It will display the create table and click OK. Now it has been converted into a table. Now you can see the table option here. In design you will find the option slicer. Just click here and just click the countries and click OK. Now all the country will display here. If I click the France, it will display the France data. If I click the Germany, it will display the Germany data. If I click Spain, it will display Spain data, and just click UK, it will display the UK cells. That's way you can get the data country wise by using the slicer. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.